everyone! How to decorate your kitchen? Simple question, and I'm going to help you a bit with this. Take one of your kitchen towels and use fabric paint, brush and iron. With soft pastel, outline desirable project. Then paint it with orange, brown, yellow, white, green and black. Also use 3D fabric paint for outlines and medium hot iron. Not more than in 20 minutes your decor will be ready. Don't forget to iron it to fix the paint. Have fun! Ready tea towels are available from our online store. See link below. Also, check it out, our educational video programs. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow.